studio. Please don't mind my voice. I got a throat infection and my voice has been hoarse since then. So today's video is going to be about nose contouring hack that I came across very recently online. Let's start. So for this you need to make a straight line on the bridge of your nose like that. You know, it looks funny now. And using your finger, just blend it all over, just like that. It may look like somebody punched your face, but here goes the hack. You take a Q-tip and dip it in some micellar water there, and clean the bridge of your nose like that. Your concealer and another Q-tip, and just take a little concealer and make 3 dots. 2 and 3. Like that. And just blend it and spread it so that there are no harsh lines. And there you go.
Damn.